Okay, good afternoon everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing the derivation of some important formulas that can be used for the differentiation process. Okay? Though we already know the limit definition of the derivative, but as we can see, medyo lisod to siya ang pag-derive sa mga equations na to. Diba? Because one, algebra. Okay, so it becomes very difficult and very unwieldy at times kung magamit nato niya mag-algebra rin or task kaya mga process. Okay, so in this video I'll be deriving some formulas that can be used to hasten the result sa derive sa pag-come up sa derivative sa isang function. Okay, so for now, allow me to make some room. I'll just erase some stuff. Okay, so I think I've made a lot of room here. So I think we can start with the equation. Derive some things. Start writing well. About this one. Okay, here we go. So, try to derive lugar. Say we are tasked to differentiate. Wait ko akong light ball pen. Okay, so this is much better. We are tasked to find the derivative of a function whose form is somewhat like this. X to the power of n. Though we have the working formula, limit formula, but this case here, oftentimes it may not be good to use it, right? It may be unwieldy, or it will incur a lot of algebra. So there are ways para ma-simplify na siya mga nani. Okay? Because pananglitan lugar na tayo mga functions na inganyang itsura. Say, derivative of can be very challenging using the limit definition of a derivative. So this time, we'll try to derive. May kani siya diri. Pero paano naman siya forma nila? Kani siya si x cube, si x4. Diba? Pero paano naman sila form? Try to find a much more easier na formula that can be used para ma-derive to siya. Okay? Now, sa case series, let's go by the limit definition sa anin niya. Diba? Everything starts with this idea sa derivative. Diba? So, delta x equals approaches 0. So, the function here is kani x. Ba? So, the idea here, all x, pulihan siya of x plus delta x. Okay, so raised to the power of n minus xn divided by delta x. Okay? So I hope masaktan ninyo na. Sorry. I hope madunggan na akong tingog. I'm trying out some new equipment here, so please bear with me. Dapat sa trial and error stage ani siya. Okay? Now, kinisa siya na term ba? Let's look at this. X plus delta x raised to the power of n minus x raised to the power of n ba? Nasikwan rin medyo problem sa problematic kasi gamay. Before na mo dive ani siya, let's try to simplify this with the use of algebra ba? Pananglit lang sa dota. let's try to look for a pattern na siya. A squared minus B squared, ba? So siya parang niya, yung roots, just like kani. Ba? Nakajot lang. Okay? So, we have an expression sa kani. If I were to quantity, test naman. A times A, FOIL method na ito, di ba? A squared minus BA times plus AB na yun. Minus B squared. This cancels out. Sakto. Ba? I-test lang na ito na siya na. Now, kanda, tripping lang dali. Okay? So, pananglit lugar kung gani siya. A cube minus B cube. It's like saying sa A minus B times A cube, A squared plus AB plus B squared. Okay? So, mag-try to experiment. And I concept diri, mag-experiment sa mo. I-try niyo siya. Okay? Pag-sukuan na siya. Kaya kung gusto ni, I want to derive a pattern. Okay? That will fit this. But anyway, you can try this out. And I think we will, you will just arrive to the same result. Okay? If makuha niya siyang i-continue on, ayun na siya, ito makuha din din na AN minus BN is equal to sa 8 A minus K siya din multiplied by tara naman siya din A N na ito din, wala ito N na ito 4 ba? Kanisa siya diri, N na to diri is 3, so na mo siya 2. So there's a pattern din na A minus N minus 1. A raised to the power of N minus 1. Ba? Kukuha niya siyang i-padayon. You can see the pattern. You can sa 2, na mo siya 1. Okay, so I think this is time na dapat mag-take note ka rin mga exponents niya. Just add the ones there, kasi it is understood. So, ayun siya 1, siya 1 na din, hinay-hinay, pasa yung power dito kang B. Diba? Yan sa A na pasa niya kang B. Yan sa 2, ayun siya 1. Ayun siya 1, ayun siya 2, ayun siya 3. Diba? There's a certain trend here. Yung follow siya na memorize ka na transition ng iyang power, kasakan dos pikas, lower ang sa pikas. Okay? There's a pattern na. Now, if I were to look at that, ubos siya by 1, ganyan itong mga A's, diba? So, A, N minus 1, N mo siya, minus 2, lower than 1 man siya. Okay? Pero, gatsakan niya siya si B. Then, next sa din diri, nakabalo, nagkuhan siya, gano'n nagyan po na yung pattern, until such time, more or less, mag-exchange na sila of rules, okay? N minus 2, I hope makapture pa na siya sa with sa camera. And then, kuha na rin na siya din. B raised to the power of N minus 1. So, kana siya, kasing kuha na rin trend na itong gina-fit diri. Okay? Now, if that's the case na yun, kadit lang. Wait, my God. Okay. So it follows that kind of trend logarithms in B. Now, let's try the awat-awat na rin method. Okay? We have A here. Yan sa 1 din natin na say parehas sila 4, di ba? So we could say here that our A for this case din is equal to sa x plus delta x, okay? X plus delta x. Ganyan yung itong pag-ibig nakuha. Whereas ating B na yun, just x. So I think kung ano siya, okay na dahil eh. Diba? So, if ato siya follow ka na trend, I can just say na lang din na A plus delta x raised to the power of n minus B is raised to the power of n gyapon siya. Diba? This is kani. Can I have another one an expression para na siya, ba? But sige, I'll just write it this way. Ito ang A diri. Our A is x plus delta x, okay, minus B, which is equal to x. This is raised to the power of the same or siya, 1 of them. But this is where it becomes exciting din. Hindi siya terms to me. I'll just write it this way. Hindi naman ko na mahigod din. So, but I just hope na maka-pick up rin yapon mo. So, A to the power of n minus 1. That means this. X plus delta x raised to the power of n minus 1. Diba? Plus A raised to the power of n minus 2. A is x plus delta x n minus 2. Yung B raised to the power of 1. Our B is x. Diba? So, x pa raised to the power of 1, x na siya. Ini. Now, kanina siya din plus hangtod. Okay? So, this is meaning na niya kay adds infinitely and up until maabot sa nga niya condition. Okay? So, A to the power of 1, same gyapon siya na utang. Basically, B rin nato diri is sa x raised to the power of n minus 2. Exchange siya over exponents. Okay? Plus na yun na diri, our B is x raised to the power of n minus 1. So something like this na yung kinesiya expression. Diba? If I can i-simplify na niya, kasi mawala ni x. Okay? Just paano din, magawas ani saya na yun kay x plus delta x raised to the power of n xn, yung din siya dili dun sa x delta x rather siya multiplied by this term here. This is x plus delta x n minus 1 plus x plus delta x n minus 2 x raised to the power of 1 adding terms indefinitely until it reaches to this condition for which so power of 1 x is 2 plus x raised to the power of 10 minus 1. Diba? Kini siya yung equivalent silbi. Let's plug this in na itong expression dito. Diba? So, plugging that in, I can write this as the limit notation, which is delta x multiplied by this expression here, which is equal to x plus delta x raised to the power of n minus 1 plus x delta x x plus delta x rather n minus 2 x raised to the power of 1 plus dot 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 until it reaches this terms na rin diri x plus raised to the power of 1 na siya, and then raised to the power of n minus 2 na rin itong x. Invert na yung 1 na rin exponents, and then ang next din na siya kay plus x raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay? Raised to the power of okay? Ano siya? This is all divided by delta x. Okay? So I'm still experimenting sa akong new device, so please bear with me. Kaya siya din, mawala ni. So that leaves us with just kaninang diagram, diba? Let's try to simplify this expression here. You can just say lang na n minus 1 plus delta x n minus 2 multiplied by n x raised to the power of 1 plus adding indefinitely until such time ay mo siya og 1 kani raised to the power of 1 2 plus x n minus 1 ba? Yan yung konsyura rin din karon. Now let's try to simplify and output it natin. Ba? Let's leave it as this lang sa. Let's try to continue. Tanaw-tanaw sa natin siya. Okay. Hindi, pinumi ako para sa natin. Right, sir. Applying the limit notation ng limit, everything here, every delta x becomes 0. Okay? So may tabuan na sa iya na yun diri kay x plus 0 raised to n minus 1 plus x plus 0 n minus 2 times this 1. Adding indefinitely till this becomes 0, 1, x raised to the power of n minus 2 plus x n minus 1. Diba? As you can see here, may mga x minus 1 din here. Plus x n minus 2 plus 1, that is x n raised to the power of negative minus 1. Diba? Okay. So, adding indefinitely plus, condition delay, 1 plus n minus 2. That's just x raised to the power of n minus 1. Initial delay, x n minus 1. Ano na siya? Ba? Pag pila man siya ka-book terms. It's all the same. Pila man siya ka-book terms. Ang ato yung adani siya na pag-summation. That's a question ba? It's a good question. How do you know siya kadagang terms sa katong ginahandle diri? Try to inspect this, ba? Our n is equal to sa 2. Ba? Our n diri is equal to 3. Our n is equal to sa 4. As you can see diri, let's try to count the terms na yun. We have 1, 2 terms. Okay, so there 1, 2, 3 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Pinaka-book terms lugar din if n is equal to n. That should be n terms. Okay? So, kaya siya din n terms na siya. That's the number of kanda ni. That solves the question kung pila ka book terms ang atong i-admit. So, cannot determine this. That all of this, kaya siya transformations din maobra na siya kung gusto natin n. Parehas naman siya variable tanan, x raised to the power of n negative 1. So, you can just attach this na lang dahil. So, therefore, you can just say na lang din diri that the derivative of a quadratic function, the has this form, that would be equal to sa n minus x, n minus 1. This, coincidentally, we call as the power rule of differentiation. Gets?